we will be doing a very interesting and delicious way of celebrating Father's Day. So, this is my papa, his picture over there. So, just as a background, as a little girl, he taught me how to eat toasted bread, fried egg, and he taught me how to use a popping toaster and a fork. A fork. So, we will be cooking today. I hope you will be excited with this. Okay, let's get started! Okay, so our ingredients for today will be cooking oil, 2 pieces of bread, or it could be just one. So your choice of bread. I like the white bread, an egg, and some butter if you want the toast to be yummier and fattier. I want fattier. Okay, and then the materials that we will use, the tools, we have the cooking pan, and then we have the knife. And also, we have a turner to turn the bread later. So before we put the bread on the pan, we need to get our blunt knife and then cut out the shape of a heart, because we love our fathers. So when my papa was still alive, I loved him very, very much. Okay, so this is done. Just punch it out. So if you have a heart cookie cutter, it would be helpful also, but I don't have, so I just use the knife. So see, can you see the heart? Okay, so now we're ready to toast it a bit on the pan. Our pan is getting ready, so make sure it's kind of hot. So it is your choice if you want to use oil or butter. So I want butter because it's yummier and fattier. Okay, so I'll be getting some butter. We will be melting it in the pan. Okay, add some low fire to your pan so as not to burn the butter fast. Okay, now it's time to put our bread in the pan. Okay, so you can add the heart also. You can toast it. So now the bread is in the pan. So we're gonna turn it with the turner. Let's see if it has started to become brown. Okay, there. It started to be brown. Let's turn this little heart over. Okay, there. Okay, so while it's browning, we can now add our egg. We will be cracking the egg. And then crack it open within the heart, the whole of the heart. You can cook it around 2 or 3 minutes. So it's up to you if you want to add salt or pepper. So I just want it plain. Bread is already toasted. Our egg is already cooked. So I don't want my egg runny. I want it dry. So that's why I made it this way. So it's up to you if you want it runny or dry. Okay, so let's transfer the slice of bread here in our plate. So it sort of copies the heart shape. So my papa used to like his eggs with ketchup. So we can add some ketchup. Okay, maybe make the outline of the heart. Okay, where is the ketchup? It's not coming out. Okay. Good boy, ketchup. So it's coming out of the bottle now. So it's heart-shaped already. Okay, so for the cut-out hearts, my papa also loved jam, butter and jam. So let's spread some butter on the cut-out hearts. Okay, the last heart. And then spread some jam. This is strawberry jam. Okay, spread it well. Oops. Okay, more. Okay, so you can also add more butter by placing this tiny butter and your bottle of jam to serve your dear papa, your dear daddy, your dear tatay, and whatever name, loving name you call your father. So here's our lovely toasted bread with egg. So today we've learned a number of nouns, adjectives, and verbs. So the nouns can be bread, egg, butter, ketchup, jam, and then also heart. And then we have a plate. And then the utensils that we use, we have the pan, the turner, the oil, and then if you wish to add salt and pepper to your eggs. And how about for the verbs? So we use the verbs cut. We cut the heart shape. We crack the egg open. We use the pan to turn. Sorry. We use the turner to turn our bread. So turn is the verb. And then for adjectives, so we have hot. Our pan was hot earlier. And then we can also use delicious, love, loving. So, are you ready to surprise your fathers this Father's Day? If you like this video that I made, don't forget to click subscribe and share this fun video, okay? Before I end this video, let us remember a Bible verse from Exodus 20, verse 12. Honor your father and your mother so that you may live long in the land of the Lord your God is giving you. Happy Father's Day to all of the dads here on earth, and most especially to my papa up there in heaven. Bye!